Okay, so to make a PDF off of Google Docs, first thing first, you're going to want to go to whatever browser you use. I use Google Chrome. Open it up, and there's a couple ways you can get there. Either first, if you are on the Google page, you can go over here to the right hand corner and scroll down until you see the Docs, or you can type in Google Docs and it'll be that one. Once you're in here, you'll see any documents you might have downloaded or made yourself. Go into one of them, and once you're in there, you can copy and paste or type or do whatever you need to do to add it to this document. So then once you're ready to download it, you'll go File, Download, and PDF. So now that I've downloaded it, it's in my download history on my internet browser. Drag and paste drag and drop onto my desktop or wherever you want it. And then when I click on it, it'll open up what I chose to download.